Welcome to DFM Rapid, where precision and efficiency come together to deliver the highest quality CNC machined parts and prototypes. With advanced CNC machines and a team of expert machinists, we are dedicated to helping our customers meet their unique machining needs. Whether you're looking to produce small batches of custom parts or high-volume production runs, our CNC shop has the capacity and capability to handle any project. From prototyping to full-scale production, we use the latest in computer-controlled machining technology to ensure accuracy, repeatability, and fast turnaround times. Our team uses a variety of materials and technologies to produce high-quality CNC machined parts and components, from aluminum and stainless steel to complex alloys and plastics. And we also specialize in machining a wide range of components and parts for the robotics and automation industry. Our commitment to quality doesn't stop at our machines. Our team of experienced machinists and engineers work closely with our customers to understand their specific needs and requirements, and use their expertise to develop the most efficient and cost-effective solutions. With a wide range of materials and finishes available, we're able to deliver parts that meet the exact specifications of our customers every time. At DFM Rapid, we believe that the key to success is a combination of the right technology, expertise, and customer service. That's why we are dedicated to delivering outstanding results and providing a seamless customer experience. So if you're looking for a partner in precision and quality, look no further than DFM Rapid. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your next machining project, especially in the robotics and automation industry.